Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to upgrade your BigCartel plan from free to an upgraded paid version. So what you're going to do is you want to head over to bigcartel.com. Once you've signed into your account, you're going to land on this page here where it'll show your dashboard, orders, products, discounts, or account. So you want to go ahead and click on account. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom to where it says billing. Here, there's going to be a button that says upgrade. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on this, it's going to show the plan that you're currently on and the two other plans that you can upgrade to. So let's say you want to go ahead and go to the platinum one. All you're going to do is click upgrade. Here it's going to say that you're going to go from the gold to the platinum, and we're going to select upgrade. Next, it's going to ask for your billing information, so whether it's a credit card or PayPal, enter that information there, hit upgrade and pay now, and now you are on a new plan. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.